Getting some more breaking news now, and it is not a good Friday for markets. The Sensex is down almost 1,000 points, and the DALAL Street has been severely impacted by the weak global cues. US inflation data, in fact, has fueled fears of a rate hike, and all sectors are in the deep red zone. My colleague Hina Gambhir is joining me on the phone line. Hina, like I said, not a good Friday for the markets.
The markets are looking quite weak here in India. The Dalal Street is looking quite weak following weak global cues, in fact. And we'll tell you about global cues in just a bit. But before that, let's tell you how the Sensex is looking at right now. 57,994. So it has gone below 58,000 level. It is down about 931 odd points, which is a cut of about 1.58%. Even for Nifty, the situation is quite similar. In fact, this morning only started on a negative note for both Sensex as well as Nifty, and there is weakness across sectors. It simply means that not just one, but all sectors are impacted by what is happening in global markets. The biggest trigger was the US inflation data that came out late last night, and that has fueled that, fears of aggressive rate hikes going forward. Now, yesterday, there was RBI's monetary policy review. The RBI here in India decided to keep the rates unchanged. That was the 10th time in a row that rates were remained as it is. The rates were not changed. But then, if the international market will have a scenario wherein the central banks across the world will begin increasing rates, then there will be pressure on Indian central bank also to consider increasing rates. And that is the reason why here we are seeing some bit of negative sentiment on the Dalal Street, that if US Fed gets more aggressive with rate hikes, then, Indian central bank will also have to increase the lending rates or, the key rates that it looks at. So those are the kind of fears that we are seeing here in markets today, and that's the reason why markets are trading in red.
All right, Hina, thank you so much for joining me. So Black Friday there for the markets, as the Sensex is down almost 1,000 points.